Welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving climbing stairs. You've probably seen this quite a bit. So you're you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either take one or two steps. And how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? So here the staircase is 2. The output is 2. So you can take one or 2 steps here, 3 ones, and basically 3 steps, 3 ways. So to solve this, we're gonna go define a method. Let's call it DP. We're gonna send in n, and we're gonna send in memo. I'll tell you guys in a bit why we do that. So if n, so the number of steps is 0, then that's the right way, right? But also if it's 1, right? We know that there's only one option if it's 1, and that's just take one step, right? Or n equals 1. So that would be a right way since you can take one step. Return 1. And then now what we need to do is going to be this memo right here. So if n in memo, return memo n. And then here, now we're going to do our recursion. So we're going to call memo. So if it was in the memo before, then it would be returned here. So since it's not, we would do equals, so n minus 1, right? So that means we can take one step, and then we send in the memo, plus n minus 2. So that's 2 steps. And then once we put it in the memo here, we just return memo n. And then now all we need to do is call it. So we would return dp n. For the memo, we're gonna send a dictionary. So what this is gonna do is, instead of going through all of the sides, it'll just go through one. I'll show you guys a example. So right now we have this. This should be good. Let's run it. Okay. And it's pretty fast. So to show you guys how it works, I'll just open up a new tab here. So here we have this, right? And we don't even need the memo because this does it itself. So we would just do, alright, it's fn. And then here we would need n memo, and we would call it with, start with like 10, might be a lot, and then so this is it without memoization. You see, like right now it has to do so many calls. Like, let me just speed it up for you guys. See, so I would have to call all of this, but for example, let's say 8, right? We already calculated 8 when we did it here, right? So it's just useless to calculate it again. So that's where memoization comes in. And then if we run it now, we'll only calculate the things that we need, right? So go to the bottom, because it's already seen some of these before. For example, see this 4 calculated here, this 1 calculated here. So that's why this is way faster. Like, I'm pretty sure it won't even run if we don't have the memoization. Alright, well, that's it for today's this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll make another one tomorrow.